Hi friends, welcome to Learn Online Business. In this video, we are going to see about Bluehost review. If you are planning to purchase best hosting plan, then this video will helpful for you. Bluehost is one of the oldest web hosts started in 1996 and it is major web host trusted by millions of customers. With Bluehost hosting, you will get a free domain, free SSL certificate and a free site builder with templates. Let's see full details about Bluehost hosting plans. Bluehost offers 3 WordPress hosting plans. You can choose that suits to your business. Basic WordPress hosting plan starts $3.95 per month. In this plan, you will get a free domain for 1 year, free SSL certificate and 50 GB storage. Another WordPress hosting plan is Plus plan. This plan starts at $5.95 per month. In this hosting plan, also you will get a free domain for 1 year, free SSL certificate and you can host unlimited websites and you will get unmetered storage. Another hosting plan is Choice Plus that starts at $6.95 per month. In this plan, you will get unmetered storage and CodeGuard basic backup option, Microsoft email hosting for 30 days free, and also you will get free domain for 1 year and free SSL certificate. According to your budget, you can choose hosting plan. If you are a beginner, you can start with a basic hosting plan that starts $3.95 per month. So select that plan. It will ask to set up your domain name. Enter the domain name. For example, I am entering thisdigitaltest.com. Luckily, it is available. Then enter your first name, last name, country, state, zip code, phone number, email ID. This hosting plan has a duration of 36 months. For 36 months, it charges a total of $142.20. If you want to reduce the duration, you can change it for 12 months or 24 months. If you select 12 months, hosting plan costs $5.95 per month. If you select 24 months, hosting plan costs $4.95 per month. So choosing for 36 months is the best option. It will save you a lot of money and it will show various add-ons. If you need it, you can purchase it. It is not a recommended one, so uncheck the items. So hosting plan's total cost would be $142.20. Enter your credit card number, tick this checkbox and click submit. Your purchase will be over. Now you are ready with domain and WordPress hosting. This is the simple way to purchase domain and WordPress hosting. Now let's see about the performance of this hosting, site speed, pros and cons and customer support. According to the various sources we collected and tested, Bluehost site speed is 585 milliseconds. That's not even a second. If you are from US, site speed of Bluehost is less than 50 milliseconds. It will load your site within a fraction of a second. If you are from other parts of the world, you have to change your server location. That's it. Compared to other hosting companies, Bluehost is way better than in site speed. Uptime is one of the most aspects when choosing a web host. If your site is down, your users can't access it. So consistent uptime should be one of your top priorities when looking at hosting services. Bluehost uptime is 99.98%, while other hosting companies has an uptime of highest 99.93%. Bluehost is one of the recommended WordPress hosting by WordPress. Over 2 million WordPress websites hosted on Bluehost. Bluehost offers a 24/7 support system where you can talk to their customer support using live chat or phone. This is really helpful when you need quick help from technical support staff. Let's see the pros and cons of the Bluehost. Pros: their pricing are affordable for the beginners and it worth for the price. You get a free domain for 1 year plus free SSL certificate during sign up. Easy to use cPanel for beginners. Beginners can easily install and start WordPress through cPanel. Bluehost had a library of articles, step-by-step guides and video tutorials. This is a huge help for beginners. Cons: they have a worst upsell process during sign up, but you can easily uncheck all the add-ons if you don't need them. After 1 year, the domain renewal price will be higher. If you are just starting out, then you can go with Bluehost WordPress hosting plan. As your site grows, you can easily upgrade your hosting plan accordingly. If you want to purchase Bluehost WordPress hosting plan, check out the link in description. It will be very useful for you. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to Learn Online Business. Thanks for watching.